For the people who doesn't know how to open up XCUBE, SMOK XCUBE, this is how you disassemble it. The connection between the battery case is here, screwed by an Allen key. You see? So that's the case. This is the motherboard. And there's a problem, seems to be a problem with my LCD. It's not working. That's why I disassembled it. Anyone knows how to fix the LCD, please do comment on my video. I'm not a blogger, I'm not a video blogger, but I need your help, guys. Thank you. See, it's lighting, but there is no LCD. Help me out.